It's Thredup Thursday. That's right, you guys. Today's Thredup Thursday, and it's time to open my favorite of all of the Thredup boxes, and that is the Thredup Fun Box. I love doing the fun boxes. It's kind of how I started my channel. I used to get these even before I was on YouTube, and I just love the mystery of surprise. If you aren't familiar with the fun boxes, you get 10 miscellaneous items from Thredup, and you never know what you're going to get. These boxes are $34.99 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, it comes in just under $50. So this is one of my more recent ones. It's one of the larger boxes. Okay. So we'll have to see what I got from Thredup. And if you're new here, well, hey y'all, my name's Christina and I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, Mercari, and the Real. So welcome. I can't wait to get into this unboxing, but I always like to point out first what I'm wearing. So today I have on just a thrifted like white tee along with some beautiful multicolored pearls. I love this strand. I have it just doubled up. So just a simple pearl look with my thrifted jean jackets, some CZs and pearls in my ears, and a pearl ring on my hand. So we are ready to go. I do sell from my YouTube videos. So if you see anything that I pull out of this box that you want to purchase, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do all my invoicing through PayPal, and I do $6 shipping on items under a pound, $9 shipping on items over a pound. So that's kind of how it works. And I hope this is a good one, you guys. I've gotten some amazing fun boxes in the past. I think my biggest item that I ever got, like worth the most, was an Olympia Latan clutch, and it was worth like $1,200. I sent that into the Real and sold it there, you guys. Like, it was amazing. So cool. I also kind of want to own an Olympia Latan clutch one of these days, but I really want the Alice in Wonderland one or the Dirty Martini one. So, and those both are reselling like really high. So maybe one day I will have enough credits from the Real and one of those will be available for me to go ahead and purchase it. So anyways, that's my little story about my fun boxes. You got some amazing items in here. I always say you've got to really look up your items because sometimes something that seems like nothing can be something. So let's cut the tape and we'll do first peeks together. Okay. This box actually has like 3 pieces of tape on it, which is great because I feel like they've been coming with just one. Okay. Let me pull the tab out and then we will spin around and see what Thredup sent me. Okay, so before I pull the tissue, the receipt fell out when I opened the lid. This one I ordered on August the 5th. So a pretty new box and hopefully a good one. Okay, so here we go. Oh, okay. We'll take out these air pockets so we can see. Looks like we've got maybe some lingerie of some sort, something furry, some sort of bag. Oh, is that patent leather? I'm interested to see what that is. Maybe some sunglasses and a little like wallet or something. I don't know. You guys, this one looks like a lot of fun. So I can't wait to get into this one. I'm going to pause just for a second and do some thumbnails and then we will get into this. I can't wait to get into this one. So I'm going to reach in. I think I'm going to start with the lingerie because it's kind of on top and it grabbed my attention first. So we have this really pretty sheer, like nude, kind of darker than a nude, more of like a camel or like a suntan color. This goes right under your breasts. It has 6 fasteners, so no joke. It says lingerie, and there is a price of $69.90. This looks like a Zara tag, and yes, it is Zara. So we have a Zara piece. Let's see what size this one is, or I didn't notice it on the other tag. It is in a size small. So a size small, Zara. There's lots of tags here, but a new with tags. Really nice piece of lingerie. It's very soft, you guys. I love this. Okay, goes like this. And then you have your fasteners. So I don't know. Let's say $15. $15 for the Zara lingerie. That's awesome. We already got a name brand. So I'm just sticking my hand in. I'm going to start pulling stuff out. Okay. Oh, this is by Toe Socks Tech. This is made with silver ion. And this is in a size small medium. It says it's the half toe grip. It's great for sweat wicking. It's antimicrobial. And it's for the ultimate comfort stretch technology. So a small medium fits men's sizes 5 to 7 and women's sizes 6 to 8. So this is what it looks like. So like your toes go through here. That's so cool. Okay. So your foot goes through here and your toes come out the top. And it's got little grippers here on the bottom. The MSRP on this is $24. So if anyone's interested in the toe socks, let's say $8. $8 for the toe socks, brand new with tags. Okay, I'm just reaching my hand in, and then we'll go for some bigger stuff in a second. Oh, this is Star Wars. You guys, this is Star Wars. I was trying to see if it's Alex and Ani, but it's not. So this is Star Wars brand. This is by, Lucasfilm. Okay, there's your Darth Vader. How cool is that? And then you have these little dangles. One says Star Wars and like this dangle here. And then you have some that says, "It is your destiny." That's so cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's kind of hard to see. And then you have your little mark there. I forgot what those are called. The little like fighter jets. Oh my gosh, this is in excellent condition. Let's say $6. $6 for the Star Wars like Alex and Ani style bracelet. That's awesome. All right, let's go for this furry thing. Oh, it's a hat. That's so cool. All right, it has a snap under the bottom, and I forgot what the style of this hat is called. I literally have a hat listed that's like this, and I forgot what the style is called. This is 100% polyester. It says made in China. It doesn't have a brand name, but it's in excellent condition, perfect for winter. And so if anyone's interested in the winter hat, let's say $6 on this one as well. $6. Yay. That's awesome. It's really soft. Okay, let's see what else we have. I mean, should we go for the patent leather, you guys? I think we should. Okay, hold on. It's stuck to some other things. Hold, please. I don't want to ruin any items. Okay. Oh my. Hi. Okay. Let's see. This has a pocket, a snap pocket, and there's something in here. Does it light up? Let's see if there's no batteries in here. But it lights up, so this holds a light up thing. Okay. It has this. I think that goes down your back. Okay, oh my gosh, something just fell. Okay, wait a minute. I think this goes down your back, like your spine. And then I think this goes around your waist. And you guys, this thing has multiple pockets. I don't know what all these pockets are for. Oh my gosh. Hold on. So yeah, I might have to edit part of that out. But yeah, so the light up thing goes down the center of your back. These straps come across the front. Then you have this belt buckle that you like strap to yourself. And then you have this center one that goes around your waist with all these pockets. So we're going to call this a Halloween costume. And we'll just say $8. Okay, $8. It's not actual patent leather, but for the patent leather strappy vest. Okay. All right. Oh, Thredup. I love it. Okay. Let's see. Next up, we have Something else Star Wars, you guys. We have Princess Leia. And you guys, this is a Vera Bradley. Did I get a Star Wars themed box? Oh, I totally did, you guys. This is a Star Wars themed box. I mean, this is kind of like giving me like Darth Vader vibes, right? Okay, and then this is giving me like Wookiee vibes. I mean, we could see like Princess Leia and the whole like with Jabba the Hutt wearing this, right? With her like bikini she had on. And then we got the dark like toe socks. We got the Darth Vader bracelet. And then we got a Princess Leia. And y'all, how cute is this carabiner? I can't. This is amazing. Little coin pouch. And you guys look at the material on the inside of this. It's in excellent condition. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. I definitely have to look this one up and comp this out before I give a price. But that is so cool. Yo, we got a Star Wars themed box. I feel that. Okay. All right, next up, we have a little travel case. It has 2 spots on the top, so maybe this is not Star Wars themed. We're still going with it that this is a Star Wars themed box. Okay. Zips open. It still has the little covers on the zips, so that's amazing. Plastic on the inside. Okay, so it's great for cosmetics. This is by JAZD, so I'll have to look that up. Not sure. But you have these multi-level pouches. You have small zip here, larger zip around this pouch. So you have this interior one. Then you have even a larger one that would go through here on both sides. You could carry so many cosmetics in here. This is awesome. So I will look up this brand and then I will have a price on the screen for the cosmetic case. That's cool. All right, let's see. We have one other larger item and then it looks like maybe 2 more smaller things in the bottom. This is cool. We have a little, it looks like a throw or it could be a wrap. Oh, let's see. A poncho? I don't know. It's very soft, very gauzy. I could see someone in a Star Wars movie wearing something like this. So I get the vibe. Okay, so no tags on this, but this is just kind of a gauzy, beautiful moss green overlay. It's got a pattern to it and these little pom-poms. So it is attached like under the arm and you just wear it over like a white tee or something. So this would be like a one size fits all. So if anyone's interested in the overlay, it's beautiful. I love gauzy material. We'll say 10 bucks on that. 10 bucks for the gauzy top. I feel like this is probably, even though I don't see a tag, probably a brand of some sort because it's very nicely made. Okay. All right. Next up, let's go for some sunglasses. I feel like it's kind of a toss up on if you're going to get branded sunglasses or if you're going to get unbranded in these boxes. These look like they're probably unbranded. They are like a cat eye style. Very cool. Very like futuristic. So very Star Wars themed. I love the neutral color on these. We'll just say $3. $3 for the sunglasses. And we just have one item left, you guys. How did it go so fast? You guys, we have Stella and Dot. We have a Stella and Dot tin. This one is got little birds on it. Let's see what the tin says, if it gives me a... So the quote on the bottom says, a little peace, a little love, a little spark. And it's got hearts. That's so cute. And then the tag says, peace swap charm necklace. So that's what the tin looks like and the tag. Oh, I love this. Okay, so now I understand what they're talking about. It's a little tangled up. Hold, please. Okay, so this is the charm swap. So you got this necklace, and then it's got a pendant on it, and it comes with basically 2 additional pendants. You have the dove, and then you have the peace sign, which is rhinestone on one side, and it looks like green enamel on the other side. And then you have this like lightning. So you can switch out whichever pendant you want. And I guess that's why on the back it says a little peace, a little love, and a little spark. I love that. That is so cute. It's new in the package. This is great and giftable. Let's say $8. $8 for the Stella and Dot new in the tin jewelry. You guys, this box was so fun. This was a great box. I love when my boxes are themed. It gets me very excited. And we got great items besides it just being, the theming is fun. Okay. So that's automatically going to make it a fun box, but to get great items on top of that is even more amazing. So we have the Stella and Dot tin. We have the newish, unbranded sunglasses. We got the gauzy overlay. We got the travel case, which seems like it's never been used as well. You guys, this has to be my favorite. The like very cool Princess Leia Vera Bradley coin pouch with like that carabiner's insane. Okay, the Darth Vader bracelet, the toe socks, the Zara lingerie, which is really pretty, the Wookiee hat, and the we'll call it Darth Vader, like patent leather getup. So that's cool. Let me know what you guys thought. I thought this was a really fun box. And I will be back on Tuesday. I'm going to be opening a Goodwill blue box. And I'm hoping for another amazing one, you guys. My last one was awesome. So we will be doing that. And then I'll be doing another Thredup unboxing next Thursday. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Whether you're just popping in to watch, whether you drop comments and say hi, whether you order from me, however you support, I appreciate it. I hit 4,000 subscribers and I am thrilled. So, and it's all thanks to you guys. When I started YouTube, I thought, who is going to tune in and watch me open mystery boxes? But I appreciate it because I love doing it and that you guys are all so amazing. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, y'all.